Hi everyone, it's Ruth from See My Curls. I hope you are well. Now in this video, I'm showing you my deep treatment kit on wavy Wendy's hair. Okay, so this one has the deep conditioner followed by the rich cleanser and then finishing off with the detangler cleanser conditioner. Now this is like your conditioner, okay, and the cleanser is like your shampoo. Alright, so first of all, wavy Wendy's hair is dry, it's not wet or anything. So the best way to use my deep conditioner kit is to use it on dry, dirty hair. So the reason being, this deep conditioner is full of beautiful, nourishing ingredients that's going to help moisturize the hair and give the hair life. Okay, so you don't need to wash it or anything, because the way that this will activate is if the hair is dirty and dry. It's like a wash, it's like a wake-up wash. Okay, so this will condition the hair. So let's get started. So the best way to do it is to section the hair into fours if you can. I'm just going to bear with me here. One moment. Okay. So this is the consistency. I'm just going to take that much. Okay. So this is quite good that you can do this out of the shower. So you don't need to be in the shower. You can do this out of the shower. I'm just going to keep working through this. You can see. Add just a little bit more. Much. Section 1 done. Move over to the second section. We'll work through the back now. To show you that before. Hi everyone, it's Ruth from See My Curls. Hope you are well. So this is part 2, and I hope you saw part 1 already, where I applied our deep conditioner from our deep treatment kit. Okay. So now this is going to stay in for 10 and 12 minutes. So now I'm going to take the shower cap off. Okay. I'll show you this side. So this is Wendy's hair, baby Wendy's hair. Feels really, really beautiful. Really, really nice and soft. Okay. And this is this side. Also beautiful and soft. Then this is the back. Do our rich cleanser. Give it a little shake. This is the consistency. Okay. Just going to put a little bit of this in, and then we're going to move over to the sink. Okay. See it here. And then wash Wendy's hair. Over to the sink. Okay, so over at the sink, I'm just washing Wendy's hair, and then I'm going to continue to add more of our rich cleanser to wash her hair thoroughly, all the way to the scalp, and just really give the hair a nice wash. Okay, and I'm just going to repeat this a few times. Alright, I'm going to continue on washing the hair, and stay tuned for part 3. Hi everyone, it's Ruth from COILY. Welcome back to part 3. Now in this one I am just using our detangler cleanser conditioner to finish the washing hair process, and the curls are looking gorgeous, absolutely beautiful, soft, very moisturizing, and yeah, on wavy curly hair this is amazing. Look at this beautiful curly hair result. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm just going to show you from the front. Beautiful results. CMyCurls.com.au. So yeah, this is amazing. Remember, this is no styling whatsoever. This is just the wash day. This is using the deep treatment kit, the deep conditioner, the cleanser, and the conditioner just to wash the hair. Get yours today.